Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So, happy 22nd of December. Wow, can't believe it. The 22nd, oh my goodness me. Couple of days to go, Christmas Eve. And we've got lots of seagulls flying around at the moment looking for food. They've all come inland, so it must be stormy out at sea. Ooh. We're not forecast to get snow and it's supposed to be quite mild and warm over Christmas, but fingers crossed, you never know. They could get it wrong. Okay, so we have our 3 advent calendars to open today. Diamond Painting Deutschland, National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, and the Fansels box one, which is still lovely, and I still love that little smile every morning when I come and have a look at it. So I'm filming this early because we are getting a wheelchair taxi to take hubby to see my mum in the care home this afternoon. So yay! He hasn't seen her for quite a while. He has spoken to her on the phone, but yeah, we've not been able to get him there. So what we're doing is, as long as I can get him from his chair into his wheelchair, and then we can just wheel him into the wheelchair taxi, because he stays then in his wheelchair, and then just wheel him out, and then it's just a case of getting him out of his wheelchair into his armchair when we get home. So yay, fingers crossed. Right, okay, so let's have a look at this one first. It's quite a big one, feels quite squidgy, so we'll see what we've got this time. And then tomorrow's a small one, and then the 24th is the biggest parcel, so it'll be interesting to see what's in that one. But we need to open these first. Okay, let's escort National Lampoons out of the way that way. And let's escort Snowman Box this way. And let us get into it. Ooh, I hope your last Saturday before Christmas went well. I should think the shops are crazy. I'm avoiding them at all costs. Hopefully we've got everything now. And if we haven't, then it'll just have to wait until after Christmas. After all, the shops are only closed for one day. In fact, some of the shops are still open on Christmas Day. I know when I worked in a little convenience store, we used to open on Christmas Day. So I have actually worked a couple of Christmas days. Because, yeah, we used to have our Christmas Day on Boxing Day, because we used to pick the children up on Christmas Eve, Christmas night Eve. So I used to let any staff that had kids have Christmas Day off, and I would work Christmas Day. So, yeah, it worked out okay. Right, so what is this? Oh, I like this. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, I know what it is as well. Look at that picture. It's got some lovely little blue tits on it, on some, well, it looks like spring flowers. They're like blossom, lemon blossom. Oh, that's gorgeous. And, oh, look. Right, get it out the packet, Liz, so we can see it properly. So it's one of those little hanging nearly my reflexes do still work. Aha. Yeah, it's one of those little hanging pockets. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, and look, that's a clever idea. The ribbon that you use on it, I've tied up the toolkit to the little gems, the little crystals. Oh, that's... Now then, don't have tied it too tight so I can't get it undone. Let me slide it off, that might be easier. Yeah, so it's our satin ribbon. It might just need a little bit of an iron. To be honest, if I'm ironing ribbons, I tend to use my hair straighteners. Just don't burn it, obviously, if your hair straighteners get really hot. But yeah, you can just use your hair straighteners. I usually just put a bit of parchment paper or something and then just run my hair straighteners down it. But anything that's like a white satin ribbon, if you use your alcohol markers, like your Pro markers or your Copics or anything like that, you can actually colour your ribbons in. White ribbons take the colour really, really well. So you could have your ribbon any colour that you want. So, yay. So we've got our little wooden dowel there. We've got a pen, boat and wax, our standard little toolkit. And we have all our sparkly gems. Yay. Oh, it's a hot pink. Put it away, Liz. Put it away over there. Let's have a look at these little pockets. Right. And don't lose the ribbon. So, yeah. Oh. Gosh, I've had a couple of these and they are good. They're quite a nice wide little pocket and it just hangs down. You just pop your dowel through the little opening at the top there and then you put your ribbon, just tie your ribbons on either end. I won't do it now because I'll be packing it away again until I get a chance to do it. So that'll just tie there, and then it just hangs. And you've got 3 little pockets to put letters or bits and pieces, or your little, you could even put a little teddy in each one, or Christmas decoration. Quite a handy little thing. And I did actually get one in our bedroom to put the remote control for the television in it, but it very rarely ends up in there. I have to say, we do still lose the remote control for the TV, even though it's just me now, so I can't blame anybody else when it goes missing. There's only me there. Well, there's Millie as well, and to be honest, Millie does tend to lay on the remote control quite a lot. So yeah, we used to have a saying that if you ever lose the remote control, look under the dog, because the amount of times that she would just be laid on top of it. Quite bizarre. So yeah, this is lovely, and it's a white one. I think the other ones I've got are black. And so what are these? Are they green finches? Just because they're green, I don't know, but they're very pretty. And this looks a little bit like an apple blossom, doesn't it? And an apple tree there. So I'm pleased we've got the 2. So it's a definite sort of spring-like type picture, isn't it, on each one? Yeah, and then say we've got the blue tits there, and I really don't know what colours they are with them being pink, but very pretty. And some more blossom. So very nice. Oh, I do like this. Do you know, I've been pleased, I think, with everything. Even the practical ones, although, as I say, not wildly exciting, still been practical, useful, and worth having. So definitely I'm going to get another one of these. I hope they're still doing them next year, because I've thoroughly enjoyed opening these and sharing them with everybody out there as well. Yay! I'm trying to be a bit quiet because hubby's just having a little bit of a nap downstairs. Getting ready for going out this afternoon, because yeah, it will take it out of him a little bit going out. So, but anyway, he's had a day's rest because he had his dialysis on Friday, and then he had Saturday as like a rest day, and then hopefully today he's just having that little nap, and then he'll be nice and wide awake and ready to torment my mum this afternoon. He's got real good banter, real good rapport with my mum, and they just really bounce off each other really well. So yeah, it'll be lovely to see them together, and a lovely Christmas present for my mum and hubby as well, and for Paul. Right, let's get into these gems and have a look. Okie doke. Right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10 different gems and colours. Oh, and I've just spotted my favourite. So we've got our standard 310 black, so that'll be on our little birds, and it looks like the branches are all black as well. Okay, actually that might be quite nice because it'll ground the colour a little bit to give a background to make everything else sparkle on top. We have our lovely clear crystal, and we've got, oh, that's like quite a muted gold. Almost greeny in effect, that one. Oh, lovely aqua blue, that's really bright. And a lovely sparkly light green. And we've got a hot pink. Yes, it's definitely a Liz one. The amount of ones that have had hot pink in have been really good. They've definitely made this for me. Not just the thousands of others that got them as well. We've got a lime green. We've got a mid blue. And then a slightly larger pale lemony gold, and then a lemony gold in your standard crystals. So just the one special, which is just those slightly larger ones, but very pretty. This is going to be lovely. I'm just trying to think where I'm going to put it. Oh, what's this? Oh no, we have got some more specials. The hiding, look. Oh, we've got 3 marquees in black, so I'm thinking they might possibly be beaks. Will they be beaks? No, they're not beaks. Oh yes, we've got them there. Yep, so they're going to be beaks on these little pink and blue birds down here. And then, oh no, unless it's these. And then we've got black, teeny tiny teardrops. So that's 2 gems that I've not had before. I've not got that many black ones. But yeah, not many of them. So so not many spares, but it's interesting to see the different ones. And no, there's no gem or crystal codes on them, so they will just be going into generics, but it will be, if there's any spares, it will be just some extra little ones to add into my spares collection. Very nice. Right, let me get these put away. Right, let me just fold you up and pop you in the corner. And let's have a look at National Lampoons. Hubby's not opened his yet. Oh, better put that ribbon. I'm going to put it in with the gems. Look, I've not folded the gems in the packet, right? I never do. Just give that a little bit of a fold up. Go on, get in there. Get in there. Get in, get in. There it is. Okay. So yeah, hubby's not opened his yet because he's asleep. So he'll be opening his later on. Right, so we are on the 22nd. We got Uncle Lewis yesterday, so we've practically got the whole family, and we still have Audrey. She is still there, so yes, she's not run away today. She's obviously getting excited for Christmas now and wanting to know what we're getting the 24th as well. Okay, let's open this one. Da, da, da. Ching, 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 ching. Oh, it's the other piece of the RV. We finally got there. It doesn't fit together. If it didn't have those bits on it, it would, well, sort of fit together. Well, yeah, it would fit together. But yeah, it's got those sticky out bits on it. So why they've done it that way, I have absolutely no idea. But we do have a full RV now. Oh dear. I mean, that's as wide as the whole thing. So whether they were going to take chunks out of that and then thought, oh no, we can't because we'll take the design out. I suppose they could have cut it out of the back so that it just slotted over. Unless they've meant to do it like that, because I know, mind you, they come out, don't they? Some of the RVs that are really, really posh have sides that come out, don't they? So that it makes the middle bit a bit wider. They're really good sort of motorhomes, aren't they? They're just amazing, some of these things. And so luxurious inside now as well. They're not just like the little basic caravans that you can get. They really are a home from home. So, yeah, but that's a shame. I wonder if they've forgotten to cut those bits off. But at least now we have a complete RV. So it'd be interesting to see what we get in the last two. That's the front end as well. So we started off with the back end, which took me a while to work out actually what it was. Oh dear me. Uncle Lewis isn't looking very happy at this unicorn down here, look. He's got his eye on it, thinking, am I seeing things or not? Okay, so just our fan cells to do today. Gosh, I nearly fell off my chair then. That'd have been a funny video, albeit you can't see me, but you would have heard the crash. Had a bit of a wobble. Okay, 22nd, and I've spotted it straight away this time. So then we've got the 23rd is there. Oh, 23rd is there, and the 24th is right in the middle of Santa's face. And then once I've taken that one out, I'll take this card out and we'll have a look at this box a little bit more in detail. So yeah, I was trying to keep the picture, but that just went out the window. It's far too clumsy. Okay, let's have a look at the 22nd. See if we can get my finger underneath and see what we've got. Oh, it's sparkly again. And oh, we've got another bauble. Have we had one like this before? Have we got a duplicate? Let me have a look. Oh no, we have, but it was a different colour, wasn't it? Hang on. Yes. So we've had this actual design before, but it was the pale lilac-y colour, and now we've got the gold one to match. They are quite nice, and they're quite good. They're quite a good quality. So yeah, I've been quite pleased with these. They are just your plastic, your acrylic. But yeah, that's quite a different design. The lines on this, the like little scores on this, just really make it sparkle. Very nice. So that's another one to add to our gold side, and we'll put that one back at the blue and silver side. More to fall off the desk. Oh my goodness me. I suppose actually I could put all of the decorations back in the boxes and save them for next year. Actually, no, let's give Santa it to hold. Where have I put it? There it is. We usually like to have Santa holding today's little bauble, don't we? So, yeah, there's Santa. And then we've just got our little bird hanger, our little bird pockets. Very useful, very nice to go down the middle. Okay, well, as I say, just a quick one today because we are Christmas visiting this afternoon, so that will be exciting. And yeah, I will let you know how it goes. Thank you ever so much for watching. If you've enjoyed it, as always, your thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below. I will get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to join our little family, see what the next couple of days brings and see what we get up to in the new year, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come out. So you're not going to miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again tomorrow, or if not sooner. Bye for now.